Hello and welcome to the alphabet lesson. After you finish this lesson, you will be able to pronounce the alphabet in Afrikaans. You will also be able to sound out some words in Afrikaans, and you will be able to make one or two sentences in Afrikaans. And there would be no revision for this lesson. Please note that every letter has its own name, such as A, B, C, D, but every letter also has its own sound. For example, A would be A for apple, B would be B for ball, C would be K for cat, and so on. So it is very similar in Afrikaans, and in this lesson I'm going to teach you the sounds of the letters and not the names of the letters. The words you need to memorize for this lesson are as follows. Ver, which means for, not the number 4, but for, such as A for apple, B for ball, K for cat, and so on. Okay, so let's get to the exciting stuff. A vir appel. A vir appel. B vir bal. B vir bal. K vir kloor. K vir kloor. Now C actually has a few different sounds. Some examples are the H sound, such as chemie, chemistry, or the S sound, such as Celsius. And Celsius is the same in English and Afrikaans. De vir dam. De vir dam. E vir emmer. E vir emmer. F vir fontein. F vir fontein. G vir gans. G vir gans. The G sound is a bit of a tricky sound. You must make the G sound from the back of your throat, almost as if you are angry at something. So, vir gans. H vir hut. H vir hut. A vir ink. A vir ink. J vir jas. J vir jas. K vir kat. K vir kat. L vir leer. L vir leer. Note that leer has more than one meaning. Leer can mean ladder, it can also mean to study, and it can also mean leather. M vir mot. M vir mot. N vir net. N vir net. O vir os. O vir os. P vir peer. P vir peer. Ki vir kies. Ki vir kies. There are not really any Afrikaans words that start with a Q. The two words I found were kies and Q. Both of these words are words that Afrikaans people do use, but obviously it can't be classified as Afrikaans words. Kies can be translated as soutart and Q as toe or ry. R vir roos. R vir roos. R is also a tricky sound. You have to try and roll your tongue in your mouth. R. R vir roos. S vir slang. S vir slang. T vir tak. T vir tak. I vir uniform. I vir uniform. Now, U has two sounds. It can be I vir uniform or it can be vir bus. Vir bus. Vir vis. Vir vis. Vir wurm. Vir wurm. X vir ekstraal. X vir ekstraal. Y vir ys. Y vir ys. Z vir Zulu. Z vir Zulu. There are not many other words in Afrikaans with a Z or Z. There is zip, which is an English word that Afrikaans people also use, and there is zoom, a word to imitate a sound. We will now do an activity. Can you pronounce these words? Kan jy hierdie woorde uitspreek? Kan jy hierdie woorde uitspreek? So pause the video and try to pronounce these words using the sounds that you've just learned. And then unpause the video and let's have a look at your answers. Right, let's have a look at your answers. Antwoorde. The easy words first. My. Is. Kan. Jy. Sal. The medium words. Ek. But it is more common to say ak. So the sound changes, and that is why this word is under medium. So ek is not ek, but it becomes ak. N, a, m. The two a's become an a sound. N, a, m. Naam. And now for the hard word. Graag. Graag. So you have two difficult sounds, the ch and the r, that you have to put into one word. Graag. And that means would like to, or I would like to. Now, can you make a few sentences with these words? Kan jy 'n paar sinne maak met hierdie woorde? Kan jy 'n paar sinne maak met hierdie woorde? Again, pause the video, try to make sentences with these words, unpause the video, and let's have a look at your answers. Answers. Antwoorde. Things you could have said are: My naam is. My name is. Ek kan, I can. Jy kan, you can. Note that jy refers to one person. Ek sal graag, I would like to. Thank you for watching. Till next time.